Office Sound Effects by Digifx Series F gives you all the equipment that keeps an office working, plus ambience tracks from real-life office environments. There are telephones, computers, keyboards, staplers, pens, and paper punches. And to keep the office workers happy on the job, you'll also find coffee machines and vending machines. The ambience tracks include rooms of different sizes, such as banks, boardrooms, typing pools, post offices, and break rooms. These 594 stereo effects are available on 5 CDs, which can be purchased as a complete set or as individual CDs. The complete collection can also be downloaded as 1644, 1648, or 2448 broadcast WAV files. Office Sound Effects by Digifx Series F, only from Sound Ideas.